Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is LYT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you open guest user in Google Chrome web browser. So for this case I will go to the Google Chrome. See here the Google Chrome web browsing site. So I have been in my taskbar, click here, see the thing has here the three dot icon, and I want the open guest user. So when the user thinks, so this is the user defined thing. So here the open guest profile I will click. See the thing has been guessed, and I minimize this, and here the Ayesha Chandni, it has the another user, and I will go to the guest user. See the guest user, this is the profile. Here Ayesha I have minimized, and the guest has been here. See the thing has been guessed, so I can close it from here also here. So in this way I can open a guest user. In open guest user you can do each and everything, just like you want to go the YouTube. See you can do the lots of things. See, so in this way we can do these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.